Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan selamat sejahtera. Saya ingin membentangkan database projek ketiga, iaitu topiknya Entity Relationship Diagram. Group members ataupun ahli kumpulan adalah Pravinesh anak lelaki Selva, Muhammad Ali Syafiq bin Abdullah iaitu saya sendiri, Amir Farish bin Zuhaili dan juga Denisia Saukam. Mula-mula sekali adalah what is ERD? Data modeling technique used in software engineering produce a conceptual data model of an information system and illustrate the logical structures of databases. So basically, ERD ni adalah satu software untuk connect, linkkan satu entiti dengan entiti yang lain supaya kita dapat tahu sekiranya entiti tu betul atau tidak. Jadi kita masuk dalam bab entiti. Jadi entiti itu adalah objects of the real world. Maksudnya objek yang ada dalam dunia ini. Apa-apa saja exist physically or conceptually, yang bermaksud dia ada wujud secara fizikal ataupun conceptually. Masuk pula untuk type of entity, yang di mana ada individual, iaitu diri kita sendiri, yang boleh jadi people, student dan juga lecturer dan sebagainya. Kedua adalah venue atau place, iaitu tempat, boleh jadi hospital, university, room boleh juga. Tiga, objek. Objek pula adalah apa-apa barang, boleh jadi macam bahan-bahan lah. Keempat, event, iaitu sesuatu perkara yang akan terjadi atau sedang terjadi, dan juga konsep. Itu saja.
So now for attributes, it is the characteristics of the entity. For example, student is an example of attributes from the entity examination.
Okay, so we have 5 types of attributes, which is simple attribute, composite attribute, solitary valued attribute, multiple valued attribute, and derived attribute.
So now I want to present solitary value attribute. Solitary value attribute is an attribute that has only one value. For example, is our matric number and IC number. A solitary value attribute is not necessarily a simple attribute. For example, serial number and product number. For multiple value attributes, it is an attribute that has many values. For example, we can have different telephone numbers with different SIM cards.
What is relationship? Relationship is a link between entities. The symbol is diamond shape, labeled as verb or conjunction. Degree of relationship is number of entities involved. On the other hand, cardinality. It represents the number of relationship occurrence between one entity to other entities. It also depends on the organization, rule and policy. As an example, one lecturer can teach many courses and one student may take many courses. There's 3 types of cardinality. First, one-to-one. Next, one-to-many. And lastly, many-to-many. One-to-one cardinality. One occurrence in entity A has a relationship with one occurrence in entity B, and one occurrence in entity B has a relationship with one occurrence in entity A. One-to-many cardinality. One occurrence in entity A has a relationship with many occurrences in entity B, and one occurrence in entity B has a relationship with one occurrence in entity A. And lastly, many-to-many cardinality. One occurrence in entity A has a relationship with many occurrences in entity B, and one occurrence in entity B has a relationship with many occurrences in entity A.